So today you have one program. Actually, in that program, there are the four parts are there.
All participants are muted.
So you have a one programs. In that program, total there are the four parts are there. Okay, A, B, C, D. There are the four parts. So I will discuss today one part of that program. So this program is again you can means create the simple calculator operations. Okay, not for the scientific plus minus multiplication divide and these four operations you can do. And this is again with the help of the PHP programs. I think so we did again the one program based upon the JavaScript. So again they are as per your syllabus they mention again one simple calculator using the PHP. So generally you know JavaScript and the PHP. Again JavaScript you did everything in the client side, but here everything we have to do again the under the server side scripting language. I mean the you whatever the information if you are taking in the client side, that information again you pass to the server side, and with the help of the PHP again you can do the operations. Okay, so single things it is very simple. If you are doing for the multiple things, that is also very simple, but multiple logics are there. Which logics you want to apply depends upon your wish. So which logics I am explaining, so not again think yeah this is only the one logic. You can do the again the different logic also you can apply. Okay, but ultimate goal is the again the operation again the all simple calculator operation should be one. Okay, so first I will create again the one HTML page. In that page I will take again the two input box. Okay, for the input value, and four again the button I will create for the four different kind of the operation plus minus multiplications and divisions. Okay, and then again one more input box where we can display the results. So altogether three input box and the four buttons will take, and this all is the part of the one of the form. Okay, because the inside the form only will process the data, and this data will send to the PHP, and PHP will do the all of the operation based upon the input. Okay, and then again they will return back to the output to the client side again HTML, and then will display the page. And so first you see the HTML page only, and I will put again the minimum design again, because calculator simple calculator is not good. So I'll go for the very minimum design, not the much design again here. Okay, so first I'll again the whatever you are starting doc type HTML, HTML. If you're writing the caps only, that is the better. Yeah, HTML head title again simple calculator operations, calculator operations using PHP. Close title, then close head, then start the body, closing the body because all information will write inside the body part only, and close the HTML. So again I'll give the heading center, and inline CSS I'll put again. Yes, this is the RGB value, color value. color colon and RGB value. Then my calculator. This is the heading. Otherwise, I write the my as a my name is the my company name. Alok's calculator. Okay. Then close the H1. Now everything will design again the small calculator part. So I'll use the table one, that is the good. So before using the table, what I will do, I'll take the form, and inside the form table, inside the form again input boxes and the button. See, this all design depends upon your wish, how you want to design. Okay, so first I'm taking the form name. This is the optional. Then method, because we have to pass this value to the PHP. So using the post method. Okay, and the action is important again. But what is the my intention here, I will pass all of this information in the this page only, and will display the doubt, we will display the, again the, all of the results. So action equal to, just open the double quote and close the double quote. Okay, if you are passing the value inside the same page, this I think this I discussed so many times in the almost all of the PHP programs. And you close the form tag. Done. Now see, inside the form also you can write the table, otherwise inside the table also you can write the form. That depends upon your wish. Okay, so I'm taking here one table. Border I'll giving little bit 3D kind of the border, so little more thickness. And this border, this entire table will be the center only. And then we'll give the little width also, 400 px, because here width is the attributes. So width equal to 400 we can write here like this. If that is the property, CSS property, then we can go for the width column, this one, including the inline CSS, both is also the possible. Okay, so close table tag. Now the we'll take here the first tr. In this tr we will take the two input box. So one td. Inside the td I am writing the input box. So input type equal to text. If you are taking number, then again the float value you cannot take. So we are writing the input type equal to text. Okay, and we'll give the name of this input box FNO, first number, just giving any number, the name of this input box. And I will write the required also. And one more things we can write here, placeholder. Person should know here, enter the first number. Yeah, so this first input box done. So we'll close the td. So inside the first tr only we'll take the one more td. Control V. Same things I copied paste. So another td inside a single tr only. So input type equal to text, name equal to, we'll go for the S number, and this is the second number. Okay, then we'll close this tr, close tr. So one tr is over. Then next again the another tr will take, and in that tr we'll set the four input, four buttons only. So td, sorry, first tr. Okay, so in this one we'll take the 4 td, right? So first td input type equal to submit. All button will work as a submit only. So input type equal to submit, and name equal to, you have to give the same name, sub, yeah, anything. Okay, and value we can here again. So first submit button will display the plus symbol. Okay, so this is the first td we took. Then close td. right? Same way we'll take again the 4 TD inside this TR. Only we'll change the value. This is the minus. Again one more. We'll take again here multiplications. If you want, you can type also at the place of the symbol. Depends upon your way of the design. And this is again the divide. Got it? If you want, you can take modulus also. If you want. And close the TR. Okay? And close the table. Now you see in this table design what happened. First row you already added the 2D, but second row you already added the 4TD. Okay, first we'll see that this design, then only we'll get a better idea. Then we'll make again the call span and the row span whatever required. So I'll save this one again inside the www folder only, and I'll give the file name. This is the PHP file, cal PHP. I'll give, yeah, calculator. I will write calculator. Calc we can write calc dot php. Calc php is the file name and dot php is the extension of this PHP file. Yeah, now we can save, right? And I told again, now you see here in the first table only the 2TD, but the second table 4TD are there. So this is again the design is again not proper. We'll see first of all what kind of the design, then only I can go for the call span, otherwise row span, whatever the required. And I'll check my OM server is running or not. Yes, it is running. You see W is running. Then click here, localhost SAM6 folder name, and inside that one calc php dot php. Yeah, calc php, calc spelling I have to correct. Yeah, you see allo calculator is coming. Here what happened, buttons are coming. You see 2 rows are below, again the 4 TDs are there. So this is the problem. We have to balance this one. So what I can do, we'll merge here, input box again, first TD we can merge again the 2 column together. So call span equal to 2, and the second again we can go for the call span equal to 2. Now you refresh. Yeah, you see boxes is coming. Now the proper, now we'll make center. Okay, so we can put here align center, and same align we can go for the all TD center. Very minimum designing I am adding here, nothing like it. We can so much good designing here, complete professional design we can make. Now refresh. Yeah, you see boxes are coming here now, and this is also coming. So we'll increase a little bit size and we'll see. So increasing the first tuple will increase the this size here, submit button size only. The style we can put same kind of the style. So here color colon, I can go for the red color, and width we can increase here 100 px, and height also we can make here 100 px, then looks like a square only. And ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ border radius also will give, then button will be the little different kind radius, border radius 10 px, and close. So, and if you want we can go for the little font size also big, font size colon I can go for the 18 px. Okay, so same inline CSS. See, both are possible. Either you can use the this one again, the any kind of the selector you can use. Okay, Otherwise you can create one class, and that class also we can call for the all of the input box. Otherwise you can copy paste the same things. So which way you want to write, you write. Okay, I am just copying pasting, copy and paste I am just doing, because nothing again the big logic for there. Yeah, so you see something is happening. Yeah, button is coming, plus minus this one is coming. So height increase, font size is not working. Why it is not working? Font size, font hyphen size 24, 24, 24, 24, and table also width we can increase little bit. I can go for the 800 px. Yes, yeah, coming. Okay, then the input box also, if you want, you can increase the size, and even you can change the background color also. Yeah, background hyphen color colon, give any background color here. We can go for the green, and this color we can make a white. Font color we can make a white. So only this part we can replace here. Okay, and same style I can use for the input box also. Same style I can use here input box also, because calculator almost looking same na. Yeah, control S, refresh. Yeah, so this is not looks like a input box top one, so that one will change. One more problem happen. Yes, color remove, and we'll remove this one, and this one little bit more we can go for the height and width for the box. This one where you are taking the input value, and this one's, yeah, you see. So first number, second number input box is coming na, so I'll increase the height, width only here, so we can go for the 200, 200. Refresh. Yeah, first number, second number is coming. So here we can write all number only, whatever the number you want. Here again number, and then we'll click plus minus and this one, and below will display the results. Okay, so we'll take again the one more input box where the result will come. Clear? So a small one input box again will add, so that in small in this input box, after the form only you can add. Okay, so that also depends. If you want, you can take again one more table and you can make it. Otherwise same table you can merge and you can take whatever you have a planning. Okay, so for my work is the very simple. I can go for the one more table. Okay, and placeholder I'll put here. Actually here placeholder not required, because here we are displaying the result value. And this input box name also not required, direct I can display the value here. And td we can close here. Background I can change here, output will be the different background, so I can put red, otherwise some other color I can put. Yes, and I'll close the tr and close the table. Done. Refresh, designing part done. You see, in this place again the result will come. in this box. If you want, you can give the label also here, no problems. I can write here result colon something. Okay, and this ones you want any kind of the designing that we can put inside the TD. Result is coming. This also font and everything you can increase, nothing else, not a big things here. But that we have to write the inside the style sheet only of along with the TD. Style color colon. I can go for the simple red color. Font hyphen size 24px. Enough here. Yeah. Refresh. Yes, result is coming here. So result will display here. This is the way my simple calculator designing part done. Now what I have to do for PHP. So whatever the value I will take from this input box, okay, and once I'll click any button, the value will pass to the PHP and the PHP will do the calculation based upon the input value, and then that value will display inside the this column. Okay, anywhere you can write the PHP, but best option after the form only you write the PHP. Okay, so after the form PHP tag like this. Here first of all we have to check if is set dollar underscore post, and what is the button name, submit button name, all button name same, so sub. So once they click this one, post, post is the capital only, not a small. Post, yes, in this box only we can do. Okay, so here what we have to do, first of all I have to just this here again bringing the value from the HTML to the PHP. So first we want first number, so first first number equal to, due to the which method it is coming, you can see the method equal to post. So dollar underscore post, and then what is the first input box name, that name is FNO. Okay, so that value is coming to PHP. Same way dollar second number equal to dollar underscore post. What is this one? S number. Yeah. Okay, and third one is the submit button, also some value we are taking the, so dollar, that we can consider as a operand only, ki some operand, anything you can give, nothing like a operand is there, so we are using the operand, nothing. I am just writing here OP. Okay, equal to dollar underscore post, right? So here what is the name of this ones, all name is the same, sub only. Yeah, what happened, once you can click the any button, input value, both input value and the button value plus minus something is coming in the PHP. Now we have to check condition, if dollar op equal to which symbol, that is like a string only, that value is passing na, so plus symbol. Okay, so in that case what I have to do here, I have to add first number and second number and store inside the something, dollar result result equal to dollar first first number plus dollar second number. Done. So if the value is the plus, then the value is again the addition of the these two. Okay, else if, otherwise if you want, you can use the all four are the if only, if this is there this operation, if this is there this operation, if this is there this operation. Okay, so otherwise else if also. So else if dollar op equal to minus At the place of this one we can use the switch case also. Okay, that's why I told so many logics are there. Don't think only this is the logic only. Most of the programming things, multiple logics are there. But the problem is that student community, they want to just follow only single rule only. No, that is not good. Second number. So this is the minus only. Yes. Coming for the third part, else if $op equal to multiplication. So here again, $result equal to $first number multiplication operator, then $second number. This is the third one. So like that one, fourth one, else if $op equal to divide. Okay, so bracket here, again bracket open and close. So here $result equal to $first number divided by $second number. Okay, and the last one you can put the else. If nothing is there, then the result value $result equal to no operations. Okay, done. And this result value will display inside this input box. Is there na? So display purpose here required also not right. Value equal to and we can use the PHP code here. Echo $result. Saka. Again I am repeating what I did. Very simple. I took the two input box and forced submit button. All button name is the same and value is the different. Okay, and this all this thing inside the form tag. Okay, and then again we put for the some design. So designing purpose I use the table. Got it? Okay, so once we can submit this button, we want all this value in the PHP. So again we check here inside a PHP code. If it said $_post sub, then using the post method, because in the form itself only we specify we are using the post method, and action equal to empty, so that indicate the all value we have a planning to pass in the same page, right? So all value is coming with the help of this post method and storing inside the first number in the here and second number here. And submit button also we specify the some value. That value also we are bringing with the help of the post method inside the PHP. Now that submit button, whatever the value, that will check with the help of the if condition. If op equal to plus, because these are the symbol is just working as a string only, right? So that's why we put all information inside the single code, this one single like this. Okay, so result equal to this plus this. Again op equal to minus, then we did minus, then multiplication. This is the if else only, then the multiplication, then division, and else part we put no operation. Okay, and then we close this bracket here. Finally we want one more input box to display the result. So I use the one more table below of this ones, and here inside the value, whatever the result is there, that variable's name we already passed here. So whatever the value in the result, the value will coming here. Okay, control S. We'll see our calculator is working or not working, then we'll change the battery also. Yeah, something problem. What is the problem? Undefined variable result in this one, PHP on line 52. Good. Okay, why that is there? Why that is giving the value undefined? Because that is the outside of the bracket. So what I can do, this I can remove, and after the table again I will take one PHP tag, okay, and here I can put. And one more problem they are telling, td control s, refresh. Yes, now the result part is, once I'll click then the result part will come. So I can click here, 5 plus 4 6 plus coming 11 the result. Okay, I'll click again the 8 7 minus 1 is coming, then I'll click here 12 5 ja multiplication coming 60, I'll click here 35 divided by 6, 5.833 is coming. Okay, then round off you can do, so many things we can do, right sir? So in this way you can create the calculator, simple calculator. And see here I close this PHP tag, whatever the EP submit is there na, inside that one only I put this HTML part. Okay, that's why the error is not coming there. Otherwise this again I have to assign in a different place and then we have to see. Okay, so in this way you can create the simple calculator in the PHP. If you want to compare with the JavaScript, logic is the same. Okay, and logic I can say here again, the there again we are passing to the all value to the JavaScript and then we are doing the operation, but here again all value we are passing to the PHP. Okay, so syntax is the different, logic is the same only. Okay, and the syntax of course, because both are the different languages, so syntax will be the different only. So that program and this program is not a big problem. Same way you have a program like addition of the matrix, transpose of the matrix. So whatever the concept you know in the C programming in the first semester, same concept is there, nothing else extra here, but that we have to do with the help of the PHP. But whenever you see the syntax of the if condition, for loop and while loop, almost all programming language is the same only, nothing extra things are there. Okay, so this is the regarding the concept of the simple calculator using the PHP. And again I am repeating, this is the not only one logic to do this one, you want you can use the different logic also. Okay, different designing also you can do, right? I use here again the if condition, if you want somebody they can use for the switch cases, if somebody they want they can auto submit also, they can use at the place of the for button, they can use the checkbox also, radio button they can use. So many options are there. Okay, so don't think so only this program you can do only like this one again, that is the big problem for the student community. Whatever the lab program, whatever the faculty is telling, they will follow only that only concept. Yeah, that is the way to complete the program, nothing like that one. Any programming language, not only the web, any language, every program, if person wants they can think in the different way. Okay, so if anybody have any problem, let me know.